Hello students, today I have taken general topics from your chapter The Fun They Had. Now you understand what is the importance of schools, what are the benefits of schools that you are having. First thing is social interaction. We learn to face different kind of people. When you come to school, you meet with many people in schools: principal, teacher, classmate, PN, gardener, drivers. You interact with many people and you are learning many things from each and everyone. Gaining friend. As social being, we need friends and friendship. You know very well what is the importance of friend and friendship in your life. And when you will study at your home, you will not have any friend, because you are bound in a closed room. Gaining knowledge. Whether we like math, science, history or not, we learn many things at school. Maybe some of the subjects you like very much, maybe some of other subjects you don't like. But definitely you will learn from each subject. Gaining skills. When a child passes basic schooling, he or she comes out with multiple skills because he learned many subjects in schools. And he have attended many activities in or her his schools. That's why he learned from those activities also. At least they can read a book and read the signboard or see the time. The basic things we also learn from our schools. The basic calculation, the reading, the science things we also learn from the school itself. Limitations of present day schools. Yes, it is. There are some limitation. We have to follow the timetable. We have to come we have to come to school on time. We have to take our class in classes itself. We can have game period or the other activities period, but that also on time. School fail to understand the caliber of many children. This is our limitation, because each student have different caliber or qualities. And when the teacher is coupled with 30 students or 40 students, maybe one or two qualities we can miss. But still we are working on each and every quality of a student. And we try that they will also understand the things and they will also deal with their problems, come with their good qualities they can expose to the world. School failed to recognize the inborn skills and unconsequences of uniqueness of children. Each and every children has special qualities, special skills, and many students also they are developing their skills in school itself. We tried, but it is truth that we can't expose each and every quality of a student. School specially teacher force children to learn by heart and consider those who fail to rote learn fools and unhit. This is also because written test we have to take, and written test based on the rote learning. Yes, it is right that from 9th onward class you have to understand the topic and then you have to write it down by your own. But still there are some topics which you have to learn. And according to your understanding part, according to your learning part, you have to give your answer in your exams. These are some limitations. But still you can understand the beauty of our schools also. Now I'm comparing the old day schools with the Margie and Tommy schools. There were buildings in all schools, but in Margie and Tommy schools, they were installed at home. They had to take the class at their home. Teachers were humans, but in Margie and Tommy schools, teachers were computerized mechanical teachers. Students enjoyed schooling because they have lots of fun there. But students mostly dislike the teacher because the same teacher, one teacher taught each and everything. Students sat together and studied at much more, example playing. But students sat alone at their home and they have to do their study. This is the differentiation between old schools and futuristic schools. Now I'm coming to the title of the story. Why the title is given to the story. The title of the story has been derived from the closing words of the story. They reflect the opinion of Margie, a young girl in the year 2157, about the students centuries ago. There is a comparison between the old school and futuristic school and what Margie felt that discussed in the chapter. Margie's school is in the room next to her bedroom. In place of a human teacher, she has a mechanical teacher and a big screen that displays her lessons. The machine is tuned to her level. The girl does not like the mechanization and thinks of the fun the earlier student must have going to the same school, studying the same thing and being able to help one another. She thought of the fun they had in old school. The students have had fun in old schools. How they enjoyed with each other. How they took the classes with each other. How they shared their things with each other. Those things she thought. Thus, the fun they had rightly conveys the importance of present-day education system when children have fun during their schooling. That's why we can say that this is a right title to the story. Thank you. We can go through the chapter and then we will discuss the extra questions.